Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daryl and this is Future Proof. In this channel, I teach you guys how to invest into cryptocurrencies, how to save your buying power, and most importantly, how to be profitable in this space. Guys, Bitcoin is sitting at 65,900, was at 66,000. So Bitcoin definitely deserves a round of applause right now. It has been literally tearing things up. There's been a lot of interest from institution, and this is absolutely amazing to see BTC rise this way. Keep in mind, guys, I love Bitcoin. I hold a good amount of Bitcoin. Love Bitcoin, and but this video is not about Bitcoin. This video we're going to be talking about a coin that I believe will outpace Bitcoin in the very near future. And this is not financial advice. This is just some very valuable information that I want to share with my community and let you guys aware of certain things that I'm looking at and what differentiate this project against other projects. And the project I'm going to be talking about in this video, guys, is no other than Polkadot. I don't know if you guys know, but there is the Parachain slot auctions coming out for Polkadot, and I think a lot of people don't realize what this means for Polkadot. And this video is going to be very quick and short, but I want to run through this, and then I'm going to show you guys some setups on Polkadot, and then I'm going to also show you guys what Polkadot is doing that no other coins are showing similar signs. So if you're excited for this, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below, let me know what you feel about what I'm sharing today. All right. So first of all, understand that the Parachain connects to Polkadot by leasing a slot on the relay chain for up to 96 weeks at a time. Okay. With the option to renew, the Parachain slots are assigned by an on-chain auction with auction winners locking up. It's very important to pay attention to this. Locking up. So when they're saying they're going to lock this up, what this means to me is that DOT is going to, the supply of DOT that's circulating is going to be reduced because these projects are going to lock it up. So there's going to be less DOT being traded on bonds and DOT for the duration of the lease. Auctions and Crown Loan raises the bar for blockchain project, incentivize them to demonstrate their technology and gain community support prior to launch. A couple of things to keep in mind. The bonding process. So you got to bid. To bid in the auction, Parachain teams agree to lock up, which is what I'm telling you again, a portion of DOT token for the duration of the lease. While bonded for the lease, the DOT cannot be used for other activities like staking or transfers. So this literally reduces the amount of DOT that's going to be circulating and the amount of DOT that can be sold on you. So if you're buying DOT, so in terms of supply and demand, okay, if not a lot of people have DOTs to sell and most people are holding the DOTs, this thing's gonna skyrocket. This is not financial advice. This is just me trying to share this information with you. And understand that a lot of projects are also going to be buying up DOT to get a chance to participate in these Parachain auctions. And what that's going to do, what DOT did that I really also like is they're also going to have a random snapshot of these wallets before picking this Parachain, so we don't get like a major dump from the other ones that don't get a Parachain, etc. So this is just the fundamental things that makes me bullish about Polkadot right now. I want to get into the CA of DOT real quick. Okay, guys, I have been advocating Polkadot since about $3-4. Okay, if any of you have been an OG follower on my channel, I've been literally sharing DOT way back here, and DOT literally did some amazing gains. We saw DOT literally go above like 700%. Okay, now again, when we had this huge dump from the whole market dumping, I came out on YouTube and said to you followers that DOT is way too undervalued. DOT is way too undervalued. Me and my Patreon read $10 DOT. We're buying with both hands, and I've been literally pushing this. Everybody get DOT, get DOT. And now what we saw is DOT since then has literally been pumping, and now we're up 300%. Okay, and I showed it on YouTube around here, so that's up like 180% if you still held. Right now, we can see, and again, a couple of days ago, I came on the channel and showed you guys get DOT, like right here, when DOT was sitting around like 30 bucks. And now DOT is sitting at $44. Now, what am I showing to you guys right now? DOT is about to enter price discovery, okay? With this parachain, slots, auctions, people are gonna buy Polkadot, and they're gonna store Polkadot, and they're gonna hold Polkadot to participate in these chains. Therefore, they're not incentivized to sell it unless you see a huge market crash. And what I want you guys to understand is all the technicals for DOT right now are super, super bullish. Look at this uptrend, okay? All right, so let's kind of zoom in a little bit and take a look at DOT, right? We can see that right here, we invalidated this head and shoulder, broke to the upside, literally been making higher highs since then. This level of resistance literally served as strong support. We broke it as resistance and served as strong support. And we had falling wedge after falling wedge, and then there's another falling wedge here, and push just continuation to the upside. We can see how similar these patterns are. And what's even more interesting is how close we are to the all-time high, and what will happen when we break this all-time high. But you know what excites me most, and I'm going to get to that, but also keep in mind we also have a bullish MACD cross right out there on DOT, and we have volume increasing, which I like to see, and we're still not yet overbought. But what excites me the most is when you're looking at all the other coins against Bitcoin, right? So let me give you an example. This is ADA against BTC, right? Look, ADA against BTC broke a major trend line, going down, not looking so good, right? And now let me pull up, I'm gonna pull up a couple other coins against BTC because they don't look good against BTC. And even Ethereum against BTC right now, you can see trending lower. It's trending lower against BTC because Bitcoin dominance is rising, and it's taking a lot of the gains out of these coins. And let's take a look at Luna. Luna just had a bounce against BTC. That looks good, but look how it's trending lower. And it did break a major trend line against BTC. Now, let me pull up DOT, okay? This is what really excites me, is that unlike all the other coins in the market, that while Bitcoin dominance is rising, is taking so much steam away from these coins, DOT continues to break out against BTC, making higher highs, and recently just had a double bottom reversal against BTC. And you can see now again we're trending going higher and having a MACD cross and a RSI reversal against Bitcoin, while the rest of the market is literally losing value against Bitcoin. So now it makes me beg the question, what's going to happen to DOT? Right? I think this is just my opinion, not financial advice. I just want to share this with you guys. But if DOT literally breaks its all-time high against the US dollar and enters price discovery against the US dollar and also enters price discovery against BTC, I see some major gains for Polkadot, okay? I see some major gains for Polkadot, and I wanted to put this on your radar. If you guys follow me, so I hope you appreciate that I take time to do this. If you do, you know what to do. But this is my view on it right now, and I'm super, super bullish on Polkadot right now. Super, super bullish. So you must be asking, where do I see DOT reaching? All right. So first, I think our initial breakout for DOT could bring us somewhere about around the 60. Let's see. I believe the first breakout could bring us about $60 right here. Okay. DOT could go up to $60 and even come back down to retest 48, or maybe not. All right. But $60 is a short-term target that I have for Polkadot right now. The long-term target I have for Polkadot is $100. This is my view. Okay. My personal view. I believe Polkadot may reach $100 by the end of this year, or before the end of this year. All right. So if we do see from here Polkadot reaching $100, that would be about 125%, which is not even that bad. Okay, that's not that huge, and it's also not that bad. So stock could go way higher, but this is my conservative view. Okay, and this is why I want to share with you guys in this video today. I hope that you guys appreciate it. Took my time to do this. Please go do some more research on DOT, and please come back and make your own conclusions from what I've shared. This is only to educate you. This is not me telling you to go buy Polkadot right now. To be honest, it's actually unfair for me to tell you to go buy Polkadot right now, since me and my team and my patrons, we've been accumulating way down here. So we're just ripping the benefits, okay? But I do think DOT is going to go higher, and I'm really excited to see what Polkadot does in this bull run with the rest of the market. All right, I hope you guys are having a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed my video, and if you did, you know what to do. And yeah, I hope you guys are doing well, staying safe, and most importantly, future proof.